Hello everyone! For those who don't know me, my name is Kate and I'm a graphic designer and illustrator. In today's video, I'm going to paint Valentine's Day gouache. I'm going to make Valentine's Day card with this illustration. I made a coloring card template, so if you're interested in, please see the download link below and then make your own Valentine's Day card. The first step we are going to paint is the background. I'll use Holbein acrylic gouache for the background. I really like this color and it's so Valentine's Day mood. Next, I'll paint the top of the chocolate. Valentine's Day remind me of chocolate, so I decide on chocolate as the main object. I've never made handmade chocolate, but as I said before, I've recently become interested in baking, so I want to make handmade chocolate one day. I mixed the Winsor&newton's yellow ochre, spectrum red, ivory black. It comes out beautiful dark chocolate color. When painting the top of the part chocolate, make sure leave the highlighted area. I've added a little bit more black to make dark brown for the shadows. It's time for lettering. I'll write love on the top of the chocolate later, so I'll write I and you first. Next, I'm going to paint the heart-shaped sprinkles. Add the heart sprinkles as much as you want. Thank you for watching, and I hope you had fun with my Valentine's Day gouache painting. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again.